Hey there everyone. Since I haven't posted in a while, I figured I'd just play an app from my iPad. Because I definitely need a break from the game I was playing. Sure, let's play the Battle Cats, why not? That's what I plan to do anyway. Anyway, this should just be a short video of something random, I guess. Hope that isn't too loud. And did you know the best time to wear a striped sweater is all of the time? There's more to do besides that, by the way. Then you go here and okay, I know. Oh, my daily login. Plus 30 cat food, I'll take it. And my ticket, yay. I never even used these. See, no, thank you. See, I have 16 in stores right there. Hey, my good pal. What's up? Gamatoto, eh? What you get from your expedition, homie? You can pause this and read these things if you want to. Wow! No cat food this time? Oh, come on, guys. They usually bring back 2 to 4 cat food, on average. I am not watching a 30-second ad for 1 cat food. No. See you in 6 hours, bro. See? And then it's not just ending there. You click on one, it's like an entire storyline. There's a lot of levels to this game. And another thing I wanted to show. See, I have like 42 out of 48 gold treasure. See, there's 3 types of treasures that you have the potential to get after every stage. There's the inferior, normal, and superior version. See, if it's gold, then it's superior. Let's see, yeah. And silver is the normal, and bronze is the inferior. And see, there's different bonuses that each thing is like. Italy, Monaco, and Germany give you this increased cat base health, and since I have the superior treasure on all 3 of them, I get a 100% boost to my cat base health. There's several different things. I've been trying to get all the gold treasure in chapter 1 anyway. So let's just do a couple of levels and call it a video, I guess. And you can get this game and play it and find out all the stuff about it yourself if you want to. I'm just doing this for fun, not really a full explanation of things. There's also different cats you can get to, like different units. There's more than just what I have here. Those are just the 10 I have equipped at the moment. Oh, I hate the monkeys, or gorillas. They remind me of King Kong. Oh, can you get? Oh, okay, we got it. I thought I thought that was going to take longer than it did. No treasure. Oh, come on. Really? Oh, instead of boring you with the same level, let's try this one now. Oh, the music is different on this one. Oh yeah, this is definitely like a little boss world. I'm not scared because I've already beat this, and I am a lot stronger than I was when I first did it, so I am honestly not that scared at all. Watch me like lose horribly because I said that. He can. Oh, he took a hit, man. He took some work. Our victory is in our hands, though. Are you serious? Oh. Are they really trying to hold on? Okay, oh, we should be good to go now. No. Yep. No treasure? Oh, game. I guess we'll do one more, and that'll be that. Mexico. Please get a treasure at the end of this. As you can see, it takes a while to get treasure sometimes. Sometimes I played one level like, I don't, 8, 9, or 10 times and finally got it. Yeah. It can get annoying sometimes. I have two different strategies that I mostly use. The first one involves, waiting for them to get close and then sending things out. The second one, if it's an easier level, I'll just send these guys out since they go pretty fast. They can get there. Although later levels like this, it's best to, send some backup. I guess before I end the video, I can show off the different cats that are available to me. Oh no! Treasure? No treasure! Oh man. Maybe I'll make another video showing the treasure. Showing me getting at least one anyway. Yeah, here's the cat. There's also, see, I leveled them up to 10, so they have another version to them, which is this. The normal version of that guy's there. Anyway, you can, you see here. Yeah, yes. You do stuff like that, and you can figure it out for yourself if you want to get the game. It's free, by the way. I only have one rare cat. That's hilarious. Oh, speaking of that, I haven't leveled you up, have I? I don't know. Let's see. I forgot I even had this guy. I have experience for days, so... Artist cat, huh? I'll probably try him out later. See how good he is. I forgot I even had him. Anyway, that's that. Thank you for watching, and good morning, good afternoon, good night, whichever.